First, let's take a look and see if this account has a possible duplicate income entry. We're going to go to our balance sheet, scroll down to current assets, and I'm going to look to see if we have a Stripe account here. And it looks like we do. Not only do we have a Stripe account, but we have a positive balance on it. Make sure that the year is the tax year that you're reporting for. So let's do that first. Let's go to end of December and look again, and indeed we do have a positive balance for 2018 with our Stripe account. So chances are that this account has duplicate income entries. This second step requires releasing the invoice card from a payment. So what we'll do is we'll head on down to our bank accounts, make sure we're in the Stripe, Square, or PayPal account that has the potential duplication, and we'll have to go through each and every one of these invoices and void them. So schedule, depending on how many you have, a little bit of time to do this. So we'll do one as an example here. This one from Cindy. We'll click on that payment there, and we're going to void this payment. And what this is going to do is it takes it out of the general ledger of the Stripe account, and it releases the payment back into reconciliation. So I'm going to verify that by going into Match Transactions and looking at my invoices, and here is that invoice that I've just released from payment. That's what I'm trying to do in this step. In the third step, I need to make sure that I'm removing the duplicate payments from my bank account. So head on over to bank accounts, make sure I'm in my checking account, general ledger, and then I'm going to type in Stripe, Square, or PayPal, so that the descriptions are filtered, and I'm going to go ahead and void these. So by way of example, so here it is. I'm going to void this transaction from my checking account. And what that does is it releases the deposit card from the checking account on the left. And I'll show you what it has done. This one right here was the one that I just released. On this fourth and final step, what we're going to do is grab the invoice card that we released by voiding the payment in the Stripe, Square, or PayPal account here, and we're going to move it to the actual bank deposit that we've released by voiding the duplicate income transaction from our business checking account. And we do that by dragging the invoice over to the appropriate quantity, and the difference is bank fee and match. And now I've removed that duplicate income transaction.